What happens if you accidentally call emergency SOS on iPhone? Accidentally triggering emergency SOS on your iPhone can happen to anyone. But what actually happens and what should you do? Let's find out. First, let me know what is emergency SOS. Emergency SOS is a life-saving feature on your iPhone that allows you to quickly call emergency services by pressing certain buttons. It's designed for quick access in critical situations, but accidents can occur. You are not alone, but how emergency SOS is triggered accidentally. You might trigger emergency SOS by pressing the side button and volume button together. Rapidly pressing the side button 5 times, like I pressing 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can see on my phone screen, a countdown begins, and if you don't cancel it in time, your iPhone will call emergency services automatically. So now what happens when you trigger emergency SOS? If the call goes through, emergency services in your area will be contacted. Your iPhone sends a text message with your location to your emergency contacts, unless you cancel it. This ensures help can reach you if you're in real danger. So now, what to do if you trigger emergency SOS accidentally? Don't panic. Here's what you can do. During the countdown, tap stop to cancel the call. If the call goes through, explain the mistake to the emergency operator immediately. It's important to let them know it was an error so emergency resources aren't unnecessarily deployed. By the way, I'm showing you that how to prevent accidental SOS triggers. Simply follow my steps to avoid accidental triggers. Let's adjust your settings. To do so, go to Settings app, then scroll Emergency SOS. On this screen, turn off Call with Side button or Call with Hold if you often activate it by mistake. Enable countdown sound to hear an alert before the call is placed. So, if you accidentally call emergency SOS on your iPhone, don't worry. Cancel it if you can, or explain the situation to the operator. And remember, you can always adjust your settings to reduce the chance of triggering it unintentionally. Stay safe with emergency SOS. Like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.